Sunday afternoon's cold front swept across St Kilda in a matter of minutes. But in that time it tore the roof from an apartment building and sent a whirlwind of sand flying through the Bayside suburb.
A strange sound that sounded a bit like thunder but wasn't really. And it was a very large piece of roof bouncing down the road. The next piece of enormous roof came flying down, landed on these power lines here, huge sparks.
Wind gusts of more than 110 kilometres per hour were detected out in the bay around 5:45, which witnesses say formed a mini tornado that then tore through the park and nearby streets, forcing picnickers to run for cover.
It happened so quickly. They were picnicking and walking, and all of a sudden then they had to hide behind the parked cars because these huge fronds were just flipping around.
It was like the entire airspace of the street was just moving at about that speed. It was incredibly fast.
There were nearly 500 calls for help across Melbourne. Most were for downed trees, but there were also 100 calls about damaged buildings. Around 3,000 Melbourne households lost power as the storm hit the city.
As far as this year is concerned, this was minor. There were a lot more severe things that happened in our world.
A sense of perspective after a hard year. Joseph Dunstan, ABC News, Melbourne.